How to change voice in PowerDirector. Now in order to change voice in PowerDirector, just simply create a new project or open a project in your draft, and after that just simply import your clip into the project. Then after importing the clip where you have your audio, simply select your clip from this home page. Then after that you will get to see this option of audio tool. Tap to audio tool, then you will get this option of AI voice changer. Now in order to change voice, just simply tap to this AI voice changer and you can select all of the voice available from this library. You can select effect, professional, mellow, bright, deep and many more. Most of the voice changing requires a premium version of PowerDirector, but some of the voice here are free, such as phone 1, phone 2, and man voice and woman voice like this. So you can do all of this stuff for free. This is how you change the voice in PowerDirector. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.